Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam and today we will be checking out a new pair of true wireless earphones from Boat. This is the Boat Airdopes 141 and you will be surprised to know that there are a lot of features packed in this for just 1000 rupees. Let's discuss all of that. But first, let's do a quick unboxing. Starting with the design, we have three colors to choose from, that is the black, white and teal. Looking at the case, we have 4 LED indicators at the front which shows battery percentage. On the bottom we have a USB Type-C charging port, and as soon as you open the lid we can see earbuds sitting nicely inside the case. Nice touch is that we have left and right labeling on the case. Other than that, the case is made out of plastic, which is not a bad thing, as this keeps the whole package pretty lightweight. And don't worry, the build quality is good, at least in respect to the price. Now as soon as you plug these in, you will find them to be very comfortable and secured fit earphones. The silicone ear tips are soft. I didn't felt any sort of pain or discomfort when listening to them for longer periods. To confirm the fitting, these are very secured fit earphones, although these doesn't have any ear hooks that you see on other earphones. But even without that, these are very secure fit. Boat has designed these in such a way that they sit perfectly inside the ears. I even used it in my workout and running sessions and they never took the name to come out. On the feature side, we have a lot. First of all, we have wake and pair, which means as soon as you open the lid, the earbuds will connect to the smartphone. Plus, if you want to feel like a spy agent, then you can also use this as a single earbud as well. To do so, open the lid, take out one earbud only and close the lid. Cool, isn't it? Then to make things durable, we have IPX4 water rating, so a bit of sweat won't affect these. Lastly, we have touch control here on these, so we can do all sort of stuff like play, pause, change tracks, take calls and use voice assistant as well. Now there is no gaming mode in this, but let's test the latency so we can see what to expect. There is an inline mic on these, so we can also take calls with the help of these true wireless earphones. The sound quality of the mic is average, but it gets the job done. Let's see. This is the audio quality test of the inline mic on the Boat Airdopes 141. So this is how your voice would sound to the person you are talking to. On these true wireless earbuds, we get 600 mAh battery on the case and 30 mAh on each earbud. But if you don't get the mAh, then in simple words, it will take around 2 hours to charge the earbuds, and then we can expect 5 hours and 30 minutes of playback at 60% of volume. After that, the earbuds are done and you can put it back in the case and it will charge them in 1 hour. Then again we can use it for 5 hours and 30 minutes. In total we can charge it 6 times, so the total playback would be around 38 hours, which is amazing battery life at this price range. Coming to the most crucial part of any audio device, the sound quality. So for that we get 8mm driver on these earbuds, which produces good sound quality. It is more focused toward bass and mids, so it is ideal for bass heavy genres like hip hop, rap, traps, etc. For pop and acoustic, you might find them to be missing on some of the high end. Also, I find the clarity to be a bit less. But for the price, I think you can't ask for much. Providing a TWS at 1000 rupees is a crazy deal. Not good neckband earphones starts at this price range. So for my recommendation is that if you are limited for 1000 rupees of budget and a true wireless will only fulfill your requirement, then you can pick these up from the links down below. But if you have some money to spare, then you can invest in Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo or the Oppo M31. Those reviews are up on the channel, so you can check those out. And if you want to save some money, then you can also pick up some wired earphones like the JBL C200 SI or something like that. So that's been it, guys. That was today's video. Hope you guys found it helpful, and if you did, just click the like button below, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.